Well, it's wintertime in New York and bored, so what do? You take the kids' four-wheeler and you put that on it. Little Chinese special. Let's see how it goes. With the back tires, hubs and all unbolted, slip on the tracks, bolt them right on, onto the front end. So the cheap Chinese spindles that we picked up hoping they'd be the right ones don't fit at all. They barely work on the ski. They don't fit. They're not gonna fit, they're not gonna work. So I'm gonna make my own spindles. This piece of 3-inch square rectangle, whatever you wanna call it, it's gonna do the trick. Ready?
Yep. Right down in there with it.
Using the old Harbor Freight bandsaw to trim up my piece a little bit. I don't need that bracket. Just isn't going to work for our situation right now. Now with that all cut off, cleaned up, just stick it to the start of my homemade spindle there and get a little bit closer. Now with both skis spindles kind of mocked up, they're not finished. Got to make some mounts for the tie rods to go on to. I've got them pretty well squared up, and then I strip the handlebars so they're straight. So the brackets that I'm about to fab up, when I mount them on the tie rods and weld them in place, the alignment will be pretty close. Should work out pretty well. Tab mounted for the tie rod end. Well, stuck together. I gotta finish cleaning it up. Weld it on. Give her some paint. Should be ready to go. All the stock parts just unbolted. So come spring, pull the skis and the tracks off. We'll go right back to riding in the dirt. Make sure you come check out the next video of us ripping it through the snow.